In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage stock levels on Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly how to adjust inventory quantities when a stock take reveals differences, when goods arrive without a bill yet, or when you need to account for breakage or shrinkage. Start by signing into your Xero organization, then head to the sales area. From there, open products and services. This is your central list of items where you can see what you sell, the current on-hand quantities for tracked items, and quick actions for each product. Find the product you want to update and click the three dots at the far right of that row. This opens the Items Action menu. Choose Adjustment to open the Stock Adjustment panel for that specific product. Adjustments are ideal for one-off corrections outside your usual purchase or sales workflows, and they help keep your item quantities and valuation aligned with reality. Next, select the adjustment type. Pick Increase if you're adding stock back in, such as after a supplier delivery or a stock take gain. Pick Decrease if you're writing stock off due to damage, loss, or a stock take shortfall. Choosing the correct type ensures Xero updates both quantity and accounting entries appropriately. In the field labeled Increase Quantity By, enter the number of units you want to add. If you selected a decrease earlier, Xero will prompt you for the quantity to remove instead. Always use the same unit of measure you've set for the product and double check the figure. Small errors here can ripple through your stock valuation. Select the adjustment account. This tells Xero where to post the accounting side of the change. Many businesses use an inventory adjustments or cost of goods sold related account for write-offs, and an appropriate inventory or clearing account when increasing stock outside a bill. If you're unsure which account fits your scenario, it's a good idea to confirm with your accountant or bookkeeper so your reports stay accurate. Enter a clear reference. Include something meaningful, like the stock take date, a delivery note number, or a brief reason, such as breakage in transit. Consistent references make future audits and reviews much easier. Click Next to review your changes. Take a moment to confirm the product, the adjustment type, the quantity, and the selected account. When everything looks right, click Post Adjustment to finalize. Xero will update the on-hand quantity immediately and record the related journal entry, which flows through to your inventory valuation and financial reports. That's it. You've adjusted stock directly from products and services, keeping your counts clean and your books accurate. Repeat the process for any other items that need correcting, and you'll maintain reliable inventory data across Xero.